Hey guys, I've got a calendar agent here I built with N8n. So let me just demonstrate it. Create me an event for dinner at 7 p.m. today, an hour long. And if I go to Google Calendar, there it is. And I can also say, tell me all my events for today. And it will give me a summary of every event I've got going on. Cool. So let me delete all this so I can start again so you can actually see the process of me building it. So we start with when chat message received. We'll go AI agent. We add a system message here. So we're going to say the current date time is 2 curly braces space $ now. And we're going to tell it to work in Greenwich Mean Time because I am based in the UK. Cool. So now it just needs a GPT, an LLM model to work on. We're going to do GPT-4o Mini. Now we just need two tools, two Google Calendar tools. So you need to set up a Google Cloud account, connect the credentials. So this will create event, pick the correct Google Calendar. We're going to let the model define these two parameters. And we need to add one extra field, which is summary. So we'll give it a title and we'll let the model define that as well. So we've let me rename that as well to create event. And then we need one more as well, another calendar. This one will be for giving us a list of events. So we'll pick get many here. From this, we pick the right calendar again. And we're going to let the model define these two as well. And there you have it. In about 3 minutes, you've built an AI agent that controls your Google Calendar for you, saving you loads of time. Thank you very much.